Justice Inyang Ekwo, wey dey sit for Federal High Court for Abuja, don adjourn further proceeding for the case wey involve Naija Police and Senator Andy Uba indefinitely. The adjournment happen after the police tok say dem go send the case file to Department of Public Prosecution (DPP) for further review. The case na about 400 million naira fraud allegations wey Inspector General of Police (IGP) file against Senator Uba and Benjamin Etu. For the resumed sitting, Lukman Anthony announced say im dey represent the prosecution (IGP), while Chinonso Okowo stand in for CF Odiniru, wey dey represent the defendant. Lukman Anthony, wey be lawyer for the police, come tell the court say since Mr. Uba no follow the court invitation, im go like make dem issue bench warrant as per section 394 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. Chinonso Okowo, wey be lawyer for Senator Uba, come respond say im client Senator Uba no well and e dey for wheelchair, but e dey court premises. Okowo come request say if the court fit, make dem allow 15-minute recess to help im client enter the courtroom. The prosecution lawyer come admit say dem don tell the defendant lawyer say the case no go proceed sake of say dem don receive letter from Department of Public Prosecution say make dem transfer the case to dem. Justice Inyang Ekwo come tok say sake of the request from DPP, the case no fit continue, so im come adjourn the case indefinitely. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.